Ford has started the mass assembly of vehicle drive battery packs in 3 different sizes for exclusive use in Ford's new generation of electric vehicles, the Ford Explorer and Ford Capri, with both vehicles built at the Cologne Electric Vehicle Center. As part of a transformative $2 billion investment in the historic Cologne plant, the fully digitalized new facility ensures high-quality standards, efficiency, and a significant reduction in transportation, as well as full alignment with vehicle assembly at the same location. The Cologne plant has been a cornerstone of Ford production in Europe for almost 100 years. This new plant is another step on the road to electromobility, expanding Ford's expertise, strengthening value chains, and delivering high-quality components and vehicles for customers. The new Cologne battery assembly plant not only ensures high quality and efficiency, but also includes the continuous development of the skills and expertise of the Ford workforce as part of the transformation of the plant into a digitized factory of the future. The 180 newly installed robots weld, glue, and screw the battery housing together and equip it with up to 12 battery modules. A total of around 2,775 individual parts are assembled into a battery pack on the 2-kilometer-long highly automated production line. The new battery plant also represents another step in Ford's journey towards an electric future, updating manufacturing processes and facilities and further expanding its capability in Europe. With electric vehicles also being produced at Ford Otosan's assembly plant in Craiova, Romania, and Kokili, Turkey, and electric drive units produced at Ford's facility at Halewood, UK, Ford is continuing its mission to create a new generation of high-quality electric vehicles in Europe for European customers. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.